According to the National Electrical Code, it is generally not acceptable to cover panel mounting holes with wireway or any other material. The mounting holes are essential for ensuring the proper attachment of the panel to the enclosure, and covering them could potentially compromise the overall integrity of the electrical system. NEC 312.8b states that cabinets shall be securely fastened in place, conduit bodies, outlet boxes, junction boxes, and fittings shall be securely fastened in place. This reinforces the importance of maintaining the structural integrity of electrical enclosures and their components. NEC 312.8c further states that conduit bodies, junction boxes, and fittings shall be mounted in a manner that will not obstruct the entrance of conduits, electrical metallic tubing, or cables. While this section doesn't directly address covering mounting holes, it highlights the general principle of ensuring unobstructed access and functionality within electrical systems. There may be certain exceptions to this general rule. One such exception might occur when the wireway is specifically designed to cover panel mounting holes while still maintaining the proper and secure attachment of the panel. This would require that the wireway itself provides an equivalent or superior means of fastening the panel to the enclosure. However, it is extremely important to verify any such exceptions with the local electrical authority, also known as the authority having jurisdiction or AHJ, to ensure full compliance with all applicable codes, standards, and local regulations. The AHJ has the final say in interpreting and enforcing the electrical code. Ignoring this step could result in code violations, safety hazards, and potential rework. When considering the installation of wireway near electrical panels, firstly, always consult the product specifications and installation instructions provided by the wireway manufacturer. These documents should clearly indicate whether the wireway is designed to be installed in a way that covers panel mounting holes. Secondly, carefully inspect the wireway and the panel mounting holes to determine if covering the holes would interfere with the secure attachment of the panel. Consider whether the wireway would obstruct access to the mounting holes for future maintenance or modifications. Thirdly, if there is any doubt about whether covering the mounting holes is permissible, always seek clarification from the local electrical inspector or the AHJ. They can provide guidance based on the specific circumstances of the installation and the local interpretation of the electrical code. Remember that the primary goal of the electrical code is to ensure the safety of people and property. Any installation practice that compromises the safety or integrity of the electrical system should be avoided. If you are unsure about any aspect of electrical installation, it is always best to consult with a qualified electrician.